In this segment, we will explore the fundamental aspects of smoking food, emphasizing the crucial role of temperature control in achieving desired flavors. Understanding the basics of smoking, such as the choice of woods and seasonings, is essential for enhancing the taste of your dishes. Temperature control is the key to ensuring that your food is cooked thoroughly and infused with a smoky aroma. By mastering temperature control, you can elevate the overall dining experience and impress your guests with perfectly smoked delicacies. Choosing the right smoker is crucial for achieving optimal temperature control and desired flavor profiles in your smoked dishes. Different types of smokers, such as electric, charcoal, and pellet smokers, offer varying levels of convenience and control over temperature. Understanding how each type of smoker influences temperature regulation can help you make an informed decision based on your needs and preferences. Factors like size, insulation, and airflow play a significant role in maintaining consistent heat levels during the smoking process. Selecting the best smoker that aligns with your cooking style ensures delicious results every time. Setting up your smoker correctly is essential for achieving precise temperature control and ensuring successful smoking results. This involves a systematic approach to adjusting vent settings to regulate airflow, selecting suitable fuel options like wood chips or charcoal for consistent heat production, and implementing effective monitoring techniques to track temperature changes throughout the smoking process. Properly setting up your smoker according to these steps not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also simplifies the overall smoking experience, making it more enjoyable and rewarding. Maintaining a consistent temperature is essential for the success of your smoking endeavors, as temperature fluctuations can directly impact the flavor and texture of your smoked dishes. By focusing on temperature stability, you can ensure even cooking and the desired smoky taste in your food. Practical tips and tricks, such as adjusting vents gradually, using a quality thermometer, and minimizing external factors like wind or cold weather, are crucial in achieving and sustaining consistent heat levels throughout the smoking process. Mastering temperature control techniques leads to consistently delicious results that will impress your guests. Troubleshooting temperature fluctuations is a vital skill for any smoking enthusiast, as maintaining consistent heat levels can be challenging. Common issues such as fluctuating weather conditions, improper airflow, or fuel inconsistencies can disrupt the smoking process and affect the quality of your dishes. By identifying these challenges and implementing effective solutions like adjusting vents, utilizing heat diffusers, or preheating your smoker adequately, you can overcome temperature control obstacles like a seasoned pro. Mastering the art of troubleshooting temperature fluctuations ensures that you can enjoy a smooth smoking experience and achieve exceptional results with every dish.